So I'm holding an open house at 2124 East Nebraska this Sunday between 12 and 3. I wanted to pop in the day before, give everybody a quick preview. Alright, so I'm shooting this on my iPhone. Might not be the most professional, but I don't know. I just love this house. I had to show it to you guys. Alright, so quick hits about this home. It's a 3-2. It's just over 1,700 square feet. There's a couple outdoor activity places that I definitely want to highlight, but when you first walk in, you'll see this great living room. My favorite part about this house, I'm a big outdoor guy. If you know me, I'm always outside with my dogs. If you like outdoor entertainment, you got the whole patio set up, big backyard. And if you need even more space to entertain, I mean, for me personally, and a lot of my buyers, I can say having like an extra place to kind of just go settle down at night or maybe eat dinner out here once a week. So walking down the stairs, I love the hardwood, I love the lighting, but most of all, I love this bedroom. The other great part about this downstairs is this bathroom, and it is immaculate. I love it. Got your tub, shower, sink, bathroom, toilet. Downstairs is pretty cool. You got your bedroom, private bathroom, and of course some living space. There's also one more thing downstairs. And inside of here, you'll see we have a laundry room. Visit allspokanehomes.com and find this listing on there, and you'll be able to see all the pictures of it. Alright, so that was 2124 East Nebraska. Once again, holding an open house between Sunday, August 4th at 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. If you can't make it, just send me a quick message and we can set up a private showing for this house. This house shows great. It's listed at $219,900.